In today's video, we'll be discussing some of the best eye creams available on the market. Eye creams are an essential part of any skincare routine, especially when it comes to tackling dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. Whether you're trying to hydrate the delicate skin around your eyes or reduce signs of fatigue, the right eye cream can make all the difference. Let's take a look at 5 highly rated products that are worth considering. Stay tuned to find out which one works best for you. Kicking off our list at number 1, Olay Eyes Ultimate Eye Cream. The Olay Eyes Ultimate Eye Cream is a powerhouse for targeting the 3 most common concerns around the eyes: puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines. This cream is designed to be an all-in-one solution for brightening, firming, and smoothing the delicate skin around the eyes. With a lightweight formula, it is perfect for daily use, providing instant results while working over time to deliver long-lasting benefits. Key features: this eye cream boasts a blend of peptides, vitamins, and optical brighteners. The peptides help to improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines, while the vitamins nourish the skin and promote overall skin health. The optical brighteners work instantly to reduce dark circles, giving the eyes a refreshed, awake appearance. The formula is also suitable for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: the Olay Eyes Ultimate Eye Cream is excellent for anyone dealing with under-eye puffiness, dark circles, or wrinkles. The cream provides both immediate and long-term results. To use, gently pat a small amount around the eye area, including the under-eye, brow bone, and outer corners. It can be used both morning and night for optimal results. Usability: the product has a smooth, creamy texture that absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy residue. It's easy to apply with the fingertips or a gentle applicator, making it convenient for everyday use. It's also non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog pores, which is important for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin. Durability: this eye cream is highly effective, and its effects can be seen within just a few days of use. With continued use, you'll notice your under-eye area looking firmer, brighter, and smoother. One jar lasts a long time, making it a cost-effective option in the long run. In the second spot, we have Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado is a rich and nourishing eye cream designed to hydrate the delicate under-eye area. With avocado oil as its main ingredient, this cream delivers deep moisture and nourishment, making it perfect for those with dry or sensitive skin. It's an iconic product that has become a favorite among skincare enthusiasts for its ability to restore hydration and smoothness. Key features: the main ingredient, avocado oil, is known for its moisturizing properties and high levels of vitamins A, D, and E, which help to nourish and protect the skin. This cream also contains beta-carotene, which acts as an antioxidant to combat free radicals. It's fragrance-free and ophthalmologist-tested, making it safe for those with sensitive eyes. Benefits and usage: this eye cream is perfect for anyone looking for intense hydration around the eyes. It helps to plump up the skin, reduce puffiness, and prevent dryness. To use, gently tap the cream around the under-eye area using your ring finger, as this applies less pressure. It can be used both in the morning and at night, providing hydration throughout the day. Usability: the cream has a rich, thick texture that spreads easily around the eyes without pulling at the skin. It's not too greasy, and a little goes a long way. The creamy consistency is ideal for dry skin, and it's especially beneficial during colder months when the skin tends to lose moisture. Durability: the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment provides lasting hydration, and you'll notice a significant improvement in skin texture after consistent use. Over time, your under-eye area will look more hydrated, refreshed, and less prone to dryness. The product's effectiveness is visible in just a few days, and it lasts for a long time, making it a solid investment. Coming in at number 3 is the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye. Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye is a luxurious and highly effective eye cream that targets multiple concerns, including puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines. This cream works overnight to repair and rejuvenate the delicate skin around the eyes, making it a perfect addition to your nighttime skincare routine. It's designed to support the skin's natural repair process while you sleep. Key features: the Advanced Night Repair Eye is formulated with Estée Lauder's exclusive Chronolix CB technology, which helps enhance the skin's natural ability to repair itself. It also contains hyaluronic acid to hydrate and plump the skin, along with antioxidants that help protect the skin from environmental stressors. This eye cream is lightweight and fast-absorbing, making it suitable for all skin types. Benefits and usage: this eye cream is ideal for anyone looking to reduce the appearance of dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. It works overnight to help repair the skin, leaving it looking refreshed and revitalized by morning. To use, gently apply the cream around the eyes, focusing on the under eye area and any areas with visible lines. It can be used both in the evening and during the day for extra hydration. Usability: the formula is silky smooth and absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy residue. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin and can be used daily without irritation. The product comes in a small jar, making it easy to apply with your fingertip, but be cautious with the amount, as a little goes a long way. Durability: the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye delivers noticeable results after just a few uses. With continued application, you'll notice a significant reduction in puffiness and dark circles, along with smoother, firmer skin. The cream provides long-lasting hydration and helps to restore the skin's natural glow over time. Taking our fourth spot is Neutrogena Hydro Boost Eye Gel Cream. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Eye Gel Cream is a lightweight yet intensely hydrating eye cream that targets puffiness and dryness around the eyes. It's formulated with Neutrogena's Hydro Boost technology, which infuses the skin with moisture to keep it hydrated throughout the day. Ideal for those with dry or tired eyes, this gel cream offers a refreshing and soothing sensation upon application. Key features: the main ingredient in this eye cream is hyaluronic acid, which is known for its ability to retain moisture in the skin. This formula also contains glycerin, which helps to improve the skin's texture and make it feel soft and smooth. The gel cream texture is cooling and absorbs quickly, providing a burst of hydration without leaving any greasy residue. Benefits and usage: the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Eye Gel Cream is perfect for anyone looking to refresh and hydrate their under eye area. It works to reduce puffiness and dryness, giving the skin a smooth, hydrated appearance. To use, apply a small amount to the under eye area and gently massage in circular motions. Use it both morning and night for optimal hydration. Usability: this product has a gel-like texture that is cooling and refreshing when applied. It's ideal for those with sensitive skin or those prone to puffiness. The formula absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy feeling, making it easy to apply makeup over it if desired. It's gentle enough for daily use and can be used in conjunction with other products. Durability: the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Eye Gel Cream delivers quick hydration and helps keep the skin around your eyes hydrated for hours. After consistent use, your under eye area will feel soft, smooth, and refreshed. It's a budget-friendly option that provides effective results, and the small jar lasts for quite some time. And finally, at number 5, we have CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. CeraVe Eye Repair Cream is an affordable and effective eye cream designed to target dark circles and puffiness. With its hydrating formula and essential ingredients like ceramides, it helps restore the skin's moisture barrier and improve skin texture around the eyes. It's a gentle, non-irritating formula that is suitable for sensitive skin and is backed by dermatologist recommendations. Key features: this eye cream is formulated with ceramides, which help to repair and restore the skin's natural protective barrier. It also contains peptides to help reduce the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. The formula is fragrance-free and non-comedogenic, making it ideal for sensitive or acne-prone skin. Additionally, it's packed with hyaluronic acid to provide lasting hydration. Benefits and usage: the CeraVe Eye Repair Cream is perfect for anyone looking to hydrate and brighten their under eye area. It helps reduce puffiness and dark circles, leaving the skin looking refreshed and rejuvenated. To use, gently apply the cream around the eye area using your ring finger, and pat it in for better absorption. It can be used both in the morning and at night. Usability: the cream has a light, non-greasy texture that absorbs quickly into the skin. It's gentle enough to use on the delicate skin around the eyes without causing irritation. The product is easy to apply and doesn't leave any residue behind, making it perfect for use under makeup. Durability: CeraVe Eye Repair Cream is highly effective at providing long-lasting hydration. You'll notice a difference in puffiness and dark circles after consistent use, with your under-eye area appearing more awake and smooth. The product is cost-effective and offers a great value for the results it delivers. Choosing the right eye cream is crucial for addressing concerns like puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines. Whether you're looking for hydration, firming, or overall improvement, these 5 products provide targeted solutions for a variety of needs. Remember, consistency is key, and finding the right formula for your skin type can help achieve the best results. Let us know which eye cream you're excited to try, and feel free to share your experiences in the comments.